Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English learning video. Today we will hear a story, then please answer the questions in the description. You can check your answers after the questions in the description. Please like, comment and subscribe. It really helps us to continue making videos like these. Once upon a time in the land of Enchantia, there lived a tiny dragon named Sparkle. Sparkle wasn't like the other dragons. While they breathed fire and roared loudly, Sparkle had a special gift. She could make beautiful flowers bloom wherever she went. One sunny morning, Sparkle woke up with a flutter in her heart. She felt an urge to explore the hidden mystical forest. With her little wings flapping, Sparkle ventured into the forest filled with towering trees and colorful flowers. As she wandered deeper, she stumbled upon a glimmering pond. The water sparkled like diamonds, and the trees whispered ancient secrets. Suddenly, Sparkle heard a faint cry for help. Following the sound, she found a family of woodland creatures trapped in a circle of thorns created by an evil enchantment. Without hesitation, Sparkle started singing a sweet melody. As she sang, her magic turned the thorns into blooming flowers, setting the animals free. Grateful for Sparkle's kindness, the animals led her to the heart of the forest where a wise old owl resided. The owl spoke of a powerful crystal hidden in the depths of the forest, holding the key to protecting Enchantia from darkness. Determined to find the crystal, Sparkle set off on a quest with her newfound friends. They encountered challenges, a riddle from a mischievous squirrel and a tricky maze guarded by magical butterflies. With bravery and teamwork, they overcame each obstacle. At last, they reached the crystal guarded by a powerful enchantment. Sparkle closed her eyes, remembering the wisdom of the forest, and touched the crystal with her tiny claws. The crystal shone brightly, spreading a wave of enchanting energy, banishing the darkness that threatened Enchantia. As a reward for her bravery, the forest bestowed Sparkle with a special necklace that glowed with the colors of the flowers she created. With a heart full of joy, Sparkle bid farewell to her friends, knowing she had made Enchantia a brighter and happier place.